Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reduce the appearance of a double chin in Photoshop using the pen tool, selections, and the warp transform tool. Let's get started. First, select the pen tool and start creating a path around the area you want to adjust. Begin at one side of the jaw, then carefully follow the outline of the double chin toward the opposite side. Continue the path upward and connect it at the top to complete the selection area. Once you're finished, right-click the path and choose Make Selection. Then set the feather radius to 1 pixel. Next, press Ctrl+J to copy the selected area to a new layer. Now, create a selection for half of the image by holding Ctrl and clicking the thumbnail of the layer. Press Ctrl+Shift+I to invert the selection. Then select your main image layer and duplicate it. With the duplicated layer selected, press Ctrl+T, right-click, and choose Warp. Set the warp to... Then carefully drag and adjust the double chin area to create a smoother jawline. Take your time and make small adjustments for a more natural result. Once you're happy with the changes, click the check icon, or simply press Enter to apply the transformation. And that's how you can reduce the appearance of a double chin in Photoshop. The key is to make small and careful adjustments so the final result looks natural. I hope this tutorial helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.